Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is episode 46 of the Great Tour of the Famous series. This time, we visited the notable individuals and famous celebrities interred at Loyola Memorial Park in Sucat, Parañaque City. In today's Great Tour, let us remember, celebrate the lives, and visit the final resting places ng seasoned actress from pre-war era as well as during 40s to 1960s. And a former diplomat, senator, and assemblywoman. Located at the northeastern corner of the park, we found the mausoleum and the final resting place of seasoned actress Mila Del Sol. Mila Del Sol was born Clarita Villalba Rivera in May 1923 from Tondo, Manila. She was an actress, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. She was the mother of former actress in the 70s and 80s John Young, and the grandmother of famed musician Ira Cruz of Bamboo and Intro Boys, Parañaque Congressman Gustavo Tampunting, and actor Juan Mig Bondoc. Del Sol had 56 film and TV credits as actress from 1937 to 2010. Some of her film appearances include pre-war movies such as 1937 Nasaan Ka Irog starring Elsa Oria, 1939 Giliw Ko with Fernando Poe Sr.
Huwag kang malungkot. Ayaw mo't ayusin ko aking radyong kawayan. Nang pagkanta mo sa Maynila, ay palagi akong makikinig. Parang ikaw ay nasa feeling ko.
Talaga ba? Gagawin mo yan?
Oo, ipinangangako ko.
Ang sabi ng senyorito, tuturuan daw niya akong kumanta ng English at Kristina. At ang unang kong kakantahin ay yung bang nababasa ko sa magazine Amerikano. Teka, ganito murong ka, ha? Sige ta. I love you. All day I find you're on my mind, and all night I dream of you.
Inalulungkot namin na nangyari.
Nalulungkot? Kung nababatid lamang ninyo.
Anong gusto ninyong sabihin?
Alam ninyo, ganito nangyari. Naparito ako sa Maynila upang maging tanyag na manganganta. Napakalambing ng kanyang pananalita. Napakabuti niya sa akin. Natuto akong ibigin ko siya sapagkat marahil ako'y nagkamali ng akala na ako'y kanya ring minamahal.
(1940) Sawing Gandimpala with Ellie Ramos. 1940 Maginoong Takas with Leopoldo Salcedo. 1940 Nag-iisang Sangla with Leopoldo Salcedo. 1941 Ibong Adarna with Fred Cortez.
At kita ba niyo yung mga batong yan sa pagid ng batis? Yan yung mga tala pa Prinsesa Isabel.
Nagagalit ba kayo?
Hindi.
Prinsesa Maria? Kami po'y nakahandang tumanggap ng anumang parusa sa aming pagkakasala.
Ay makapagkita kayo sa aming ama, mamayang alas 3. Gwardiya! Huwag kayong maghinala na ano pa mas pakikipag-usap namin. Kaya mag-ingat kayong mabuti. Ano maipagawa sa inyo, ay huwag kayong mangamba, sapagkat ako ang bahala.
Prinsesa Maria.
Iyong kapangahasan, ngunit napipigil
giliw kong prinsesa. Iiwanan muna kita dito.
Mahal kong prinsipe.
During Japanese occupation, LBN stopped film production until Philippine liberation in 1946 when Del Sol appeared in post-war LBN movies such as 1946 Orasang Ginto with Rodrigo Dano and Domingo Principe, 1946 Alaala Kita with Rodrigo Dano, 1949 Millonaria with Rogelio de la Rosa.
Parang araw kung dito mo. Tuloy kayo. Maupo kayo. Ano mo may paglilingkod ka nila?
Wala. Hindi ko kailangan na yung paglilingkod. Mabuti naman natuto ka ng gumala ngayon.
Ang paggalang di siguro, kaya naman man ay hindi nawawala sa akin.
At ang isa pang hindi nawawala sa iyo ay kapangahasan. Bakit mo sinabi na ako'y mag-aabang 5,000 pesos sa pula? Asa mo naman balitan yon?
Yan po hindi ko na po. Ginamit ko po ng aking pag-iing. Sa pagkakatiwala, nakalito mo ng kahit konting bahagi man lang sa mabuting galang inyong ama. Sapagkat kung Moises, hindi ba hindi tulong sa mga tao na ngayon?
Ganon. Eh bakit mo ako pinamumunahan? Bakit hindi ka makabuloy?
Sapagkat wala akong pera. Kung wala may mayakang katulad ninyo, hindi ba hindi ko hahati ng konting bahagi sa mga kinagasap sa mga pistahan, sa mga sugaran, sa mga nightclub, sa mga guarata, sa mga...
Matigil ka na! Bueno, mula ngayon ay makap ng ibang trabaho. Lumayas ka na.
Ngayon po yan. Kailangan. Ikaliligaya ron niya kung ako'y magiging anak niya rin. Susundin ba natin?
Umuwi na tayo.
Yung ganyan ka, di alis na ako. Diyan ka na.
Ay, natin.
And 1950 In Despair with Jaime de la Rosa.
Marahil natanggap na nila ang sulat natin.
Marahil nga.
Oh, paano yung ubo mo? Umuwi na tayo bukas, ha? Huwag na tayo magtagal din.
Bakit? Naiinip ka na?
Narito ka sa piling ko. Paano ako maiinip?
Nasabi ko lamang yung Sally. Libo-libong tao ang kinakasal araw-araw sa buong daigdig, hindi ba?
Oo. Bakit?
Tayo siya lamang sa mga libo-libong yun.
Hindi kasi.
Darling,
Yes?
gawin natin lahat ng ating magagawa upang maging katangi-tangi ating pagsasama. Huwag tayong mag-aaway. Huwag tayong...
Pa, pag inaway mo ko, awayin din kita.
Siya namang unang babati.
Ba, kung halimbawa, pareho nating akala na pareho tayong tama, di walang babate? Yok na.
Siya nga, no? Hindi ba? Ako na lamang ang babati. Lalaki naman ako eh.
In the early 1950s, Del Sol migrated to US and lived there for much of the 1950s and returned to Philippines in 1960, where she starred in comeback movie with Jaime de la Rosa, Pakipot, released in February 14, 1960. Her other film appearances in the 60s include 1960 Tatlong Magdalena with Carmen Rosales and Rita Gomez, 1962 Santa Clara Pinong Pino with Jose Padilla Jr. Her last two rare film appearances were 1974 But Yet Palo Palo starring Fernando Poe Jr. and Vilma Santos, and 1989 Kahit Wala Ka Na starring Sharon Cuneta and Richard Gomez. Finally, in 2010, Del Sol was casted with support role and made her final appearance in TV drama series Rosalca that was aired over ABS-CBN Channel 2 from May to October 2010.
Hello, I am Mila Del Sol and I'm 45. Joke on. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyo masarap mo ang tanggap sa amin. At habang ako'y nabubuhay, ito kayo muna. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa ABS-CBN for giving me this chance to work with a school of very young, talented, and very friendly people. Lahat po sila ay napakabait. From the producer, assistant producer, to the directors, cast and crew, lahat sila ay napaka-respectful and respectable. Napansin ko agad sila ay napakagalang. Hindi lang sa akin, kundi they're magalang to each other. And they respect each other. And I hope you will see, I'm urging you to see Rosalca because you will see what I'm talking about. It's a film of love, enjoyment, at lahat ng bagay dito. Bata, maganda, kuha, hindi kuha. At kung meron naman sa inyo na may kilala kayong kapisala sa katawan, sabi nyo, panoorin na Rosalca because you never can tell. Baka sila kapal si Empress namin. Na at the end of the day, she became beautiful and even walk off with that Prince Charming. Kaya panoorin mo ninyo. Pag-away ka na naman, ano? Meron akong dala para sa'yo, para hindi na lagi mainit ang ulo mo.
Sorry, Lola. Okay?
Bakit ba kayo lagi nag-aaway ni Antonio? Alam mo namang ayaw na ayaw ni Antonio nag-aaway kayo. Mahal na mahal ka nun.
Del Sol died peacefully in November 2020. She was 97. At the southern part of the park is the block where Estrada Calao Mausoleum is located and the final resting place of the former senador. Senator Calao was born Evangeline Reynada Estrada on June 16, 1920 from Tarlac. She studied home economics and graduated from UP. Evangeline Estrada was married to World War II veteran Teodoro Calao Jr. from Batangas. They had 4 children. Calao initially joined politics in 1953 as member of Nacionalista Party in support of then Defense Secretary Ramon Magsaysay candidacy for president. In 1965, she ran and won senatorial seat under the Nacionalista Party with President Marcos, who also won the presidential election. She ran for the November 8, 1971 senatorial election under guest candidate for Liberal Party. In August 1971, the LP rally in Plaza Miranda was bombed and she was among those that were injured but survived the blast. Nevertheless, she was still elected as Philippine Senator from January 1972, landed 5th of the 16 candidates. Her tenure as senator was cut short in September 1972 when Philippine Congress was dissolved due to proclamation of martial law by then-President Marcos, including some arrests for known opposition leaders including Senator-elect Calao. In 1984, she ran representing Manila and won seat for Batasang Pambansa. In 1986, she ran for Vice President against Arturo Tolentino of KBL and Doy Laurel of Laban but lost to Tolentino based on COMELEC official tally. In 1992, she again ran for Vice President under Nacionalista Party with Doy Laurel. However, she lost to Joseph Estrada. In 1997, Calao was appointed as de facto ambassador to Taiwan and served under Ramos and Estrada administrations.
since
more
the
of
country under martial law.
Oh, but it was more of a campaign eh. Nagkakampanya kami noon eh. So naturally, we would bring out the points of the Nacionalista Party at that time. Bringing them to us. Ang kalaban namin ang liberal, but this was political, open political labanan. Ang nag-underground dyan yung grupong yun.
Yung mga communist.
Calao died in May 2017. She was 96. In the next episode, we will post the video of our recent visit of Manila North Cemetery and Libingan ng mga Bayani. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe button if you like this video. See you in our next great tour of the famous episodes.